baked chicken, and we want to give you the recipe that so you guys can enjoy the recipe. I picked up this recipe about 6 months ago, and I have it in my head. So I would definitely want to share with the fans and with my friends out there to make you guys that they can do something totally different at home. So basically, today we're going to show you how you can do a secret oven baked chicken served with some newly potatoes, some carrot and veg on the side. To balance your diet, it's good to have veg. So anyway, enjoy the recipe, get a copy of my cooking book. Big up everyone who buy my cooking book so far. We love it and we appreciate it for your time. We're leaving the comments and watching the video. It's amazing to be in the kitchen to give me a favorite dish. Today, a secret oven baked chicken from Chef Ricardo. Bye bye. Nice, I love this. So basically, inside of the massive bowl right here, guys, we have some chicken which I'm already washed off. Get it cleaned up, chop off the backbone and remove the skin. I use some lemon juice to wash it off. That's the best thing, or you can use some white vinegar. This is 1 kilo of chicken, which is working out to a pound. This is just leg and thigh. I wash it off already and I have it in a massive bowl. That's the first thing you need to do. Second thing, I got some seasoning right here. This one right over here is some coriander, garlic, and ginger seasoning right here. Chicken season, smoked paprika, mixed pepper, and this one right here is just some mixed up season together. This one is chicken season. This one is pimento, grounded pimento. This one is everyday season. This one is a pinch of mixed spice and some other season inside of it. And this one is a smoke. This one smoked paprika, and this one is also paprika. This one, sorry about this one. This one is the grounded pimento one, and this one is also. But basically, to get it straight, guys, you can use your season when you use to marinate your chicken at home. And don't get too confused with my season when I'm using. Every different country have their own season. Even in Jamaica, they got their own season. In England, they got their own kind of season what they normally use. So if you're at home and you want to make the secret recipe chicken, you don't basically have to use this kind of season. It's the way how you're going to do your chicken. Right over here, I have some red onion, spring onion, garlic, ginger, and lemon. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pour everything inside of it just like this. And all my seasoning, you don't need any salt. Basically, we're gonna put some olive oil. Nice one. Roughly 2 tablespoons of olive oil so far. With the secret oven baked chicken, I got some gold syrup, which also I didn't want to use inside of it. But basically, you don't have to put the gold syrup inside of it. But you can do if you do like. But sometimes I normally do. But to be honest, today I'm not gonna do that one today, guys. So what I'm gonna simply do is just put a pinch of. This one is some barbecue sauce. Not too much, because it's not a barbecue chicken I'm doing. It's just a pinch of barbecue just to give it a little bit of color. Nice one. It's really good. Might use a little bit of this one. Just a little pinch. Little bit of ketchup. Nice one. And then give it a rub up like this. It's not a barbecue chicken, it's a secret oven baked chicken, guys. You can marinate your chicken and put it out for 24 hours if you do like. As you can see, how the chicken looking different, looking lovely so far. You can do this at home. You can use your kind of seasoning. The only difference is just put a little pinch of barbecue sauce, a little bit of ketchup, red onion to make the difference. And the lemon inside of it, garlic, ginger, and spring onion. You can use white onion if you do like also. Preheat your oven first. So right here, I'm gonna lay my chicken inside of this oven bake tray. Chicken looking lovely. Nice one. The next thing, get some tomato and put on top of it like this. Some half a tomato, cut them into half and just put it on top. So preheat your oven, guys. You can put on this for 24 hours to soak, or you can bake it instantly. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna bake it instantly now. We're gonna put it in the oven for roughly nice, good 30 to 35 to 40 minutes inside of the oven and gas mark 7 or 8, which is a high temperature. If you're using a different kind of oven at 175 or 180, it's good for it for 30 minutes to 40 minutes inside of the oven. In the middle of the oven is good for it. Enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching my cooking program. Bye bye. Nice and lovely. I just take it from the oven, guys. Look at the color of the chicken. Really nice and beautiful, man. I'm gonna shear it up now and make you guys see exactly what I'm talking about. The secret oven baked chicken. 45 minutes is good in the oven. This one I give it 45 minutes in the oven and gas mark 8. Really good. You can see even the very bone cooked of the chicken. Let's taste this chicken. Nice. Yeah. Really good. This is nice. Now I'm gonna share it out. I'll make you guys see exactly what I'm talking about. Nice and lovely. So guys, I just share it out and this is the way it look. As I can see, it's looking so lovely and nice. We got some newly potato, carrot, chicken, and also got some lovely, nice roasted tomato at the end right there. So hopefully you will enjoy the recipe. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking program. As you can see, it didn't take long. Very easy and simple and quick. And we have a lot more recipe like this for you. Thank you so much, and hopefully we can do better in the future. Bye bye.